Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Purna Shova from PATA Nepal Student Chapter as an executive member. Today I'm representing our cuisine in our topic, um, delicacy consumed during occasion, festival and celebration. So talking about Nepalese delicacy, it's not just any food of our country. It is a special food, usually unique and distinctive, consumed during various occasions, festival and celebration. Wherever you go, your trip will be incomplete without getting an opportunity to taste the local cuisines such as of Thakali, Newari and food of the various ethnic minorities. Today I am representing three cuisines, Roti, Kheer and Saku. First one is Roti. Roti is a traditional homemade ring-shaped rice bread originating from Nepal. It is mostly prepared during Dasi and Tihai. It is our main festival, which is widely celebrated Hindu festival. It is often sent as a special gift to a family member living away from our home, or also used as a prasad in puja. It is made up of rice flour, sugar, ghee, masala like cardamom and cloves. And second one is Kheer. Kheer is especially served during Buddha Jayanti. This is a special day of our Buddhist falls on Purnima, which is probably tomorrow, usually falls in April or May. This day marks not just the birth of Gautam Buddha, also the day of enlightenment and Mahaparinirvana, that is date. Kheer is also known as a rice pudding. It is made up of rice, milk, sugar, cardamom and dry fruits, ghee, etc. And third one is Saku. Saku is one of the food especially consumed during Maghe Sankranti, which is one of the Nepalese festival observed on the month of Magh, that is around mid of January. People celebrate this festival by gathering together and eat meals together. This day marks the beginning of warmer and longer days. That's why Saku helps us to make our body warmer during our cold days. And here are the ingredients. I have prepared my video too. Jaggery, first one, fried sesame seed, almonds and kaju or dry coconuts, ghee, water, and here's my
Crush the jaggery and keep it in the water until it melts properly. Again, boil it by heating in a medium flame. Add ghee, add almond, and again stir it properly. Add the sesame seed, and then stir it fastly. Boil it until it turns browny and thick. You can see to pour it. First of all, you need to keep aluminum foil or paper. Then pour oil in it because it helps to avoid stickiness. Then pour it.
So now our Saku is ready to eat. You can cross it and have it. Likewise, I remember that Mr. Rajit has also presented Moa and Nurket Naru, which is quite bit little similar while talking about the ingredients. And likewise, masala tea from Abdiba, it is also quite similar to us. So we are really connected and experience great food in Nepal too. Thank you. Over to you, Dipesna.